Hello everyone, and welcome to the club. This is our toolbox, concrete advice to overcome the challenges of the everyday life at work. This is our series, The Rules of the Game. The professional world is not school. Being the straight A employee, being the best at your job, is fundamental, but it is not enough to make it to the top. What made you good at school is probably what got you hired in the first place, but it is not what will make you move forward in your company and your career. You also need to understand the rules of the game. You may not agree with those rules. You may find them ridiculous and short-viewed, that they are too low for you, that they do not combine with your professional ideal, where meritocracy prevails over politics, where the best ones move up, and where people play fair. But that's how it works. Trying to fight those rules will exhaust you and take you nowhere. Understand them, accept them, play with them, and once you reach the top, change them. The first rule of the game is the 3 months memory rule. So, being consistently good at your job along the year is essential for yourself to strengthen your skill set, to progress every day, gain exposure, build network, and feel fulfilled by your job. You have to be good at what you do. Unfortunately, in the corporate world, this is not how you maximize what you get. Because your company and everyone within it have a 3 months memory. Unless you received a Nobel Prize this year, it is very likely that your boss will only have a vague souvenir of what you did, said, and accomplished before that period of time. A general feeling at best, but none of the details. Same for your colleagues. Your company has a 3 months memory. So, what is the consequence of this? That you need to be at the top of your game the 3 months preceding important deadlines. To get and maximize a promotion, a salary raise, a year-end bonus, or anything you want, you must show off the 3 months before. Forget the cruising speed. Even if you're the best, put your foot on the gas and make sure to be visible, heard, present, motivated. When I was in my 3rd year in finance, I did a very good year. Good progression, good results. I knew my boss was happy. The few weeks before bonus talks were kind of slow on the markets, and after months of super hard work, I took it easy. I was confident that what I had accomplished would get me a good number anyways. Sitting next to me, a colleague, same seniority as me, adopted the opposite attitude. Clearly, his year had not been as good as mine. But 3 months before the talks, he started to show off. Arriving early, going out late, speaking louder on the phone, asking questions in meetings, showing more motivation, reporting more regularly what he was working on, etc., etc. And I was watching and thinking, that's not possible. This won't do the trick. It is too obvious. And guess what happened? we got the same number. Clearly unfair, But he maximized, and I did not. He played better, and I thought I was still at school. Your company has a 3 months memory. That's the rule of the game.
Toda menina baiana tem santo que Deus dá. Toda menina baiana tem encanto que Deus dá. Toda menina baiana tem jeito que Deus dá. Toda menina baiana tem defeito também que Deus dá.